For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a lottery business can be an exciting and potentially lucrative venture, but requires careful planning, adherence to legal regulations, and effective marketing. Leveraging free AI tools can streamline many of the tasks involved in launching your lottery business, from market research and business planning to marketing and customer engagement. This guide will take you step by step through the process of starting your lottery business using free AI tools available today. Step 1. Understand the legal landscape. Before doing anything else, research the legal requirements and restrictions for running a lottery business in your target location. Lottery businesses are heavily regulated in most countries and states, often requiring licenses, permits, and strict compliance with gambling laws. Use AI-powered search tools to gather updated legal information efficiently. You can use ChatGPT with a prompt like, "Summarize the legal requirements and regulations for starting a lottery business in your location." Include licensing, taxes, and restrictions. Step 2. Conduct market research. Next, gather data on your target audience, competitors, and market trends. Use AI-driven data analysis tools to process large volumes of data from public records, social media, and market reports. These insights will help you identify what kind of lottery to offer, prize structures, and pricing strategies. Try using tools like Google Trends for interest tracking or ChatGPT to analyze competitor websites. A useful prompt might be, analyze the top lottery businesses in your location and identify their strengths and weaknesses. Step 3. Create a detailed business plan. A business plan is crucial for outlining your vision, goals, financial projections, and operational strategies. Use AI writing assistants such as ChatGPT to help draft a professional business plan. Input your gathered research data and ask the AI to generate sections such as the executive summary, marketing plan, and financial forecasts. For example, use the prompt, create a business plan for a new lottery business targeting demographic and location. Include market analysis, marketing strategy, startup costs, revenue projections, and legal considerations. Step 4. Design your lottery model and prize system. Decide the type of lottery you will operate, whether it's a traditional numbers draw, instant scratch cards, digital raffles, or a combination. Use AI tools to help brainstorm creative ideas for prize structures and game mechanics that attract players while maintaining profitability. You could prompt ChatGPT with, suggest innovative lottery game ideas and prize structures that appeal to target audience, balancing player excitement and business profitability. Step 5. Develop the technology platform. For modern lottery businesses, having an online platform is essential. Use free AI tools and no-code platforms to create a website or app for ticket sales, draws, and winner announcements. AI website builders can assist with design, content creation, and even chatbot for customer service. Tools like Wix ADI or Bookmark utilize AI to build websites easily. For content generation, use ChatGPT with a prompt such as, write website copy for a lottery business homepage that explains how to play, prizes available, and legal disclaimers. Step 6. Set up payment and security systems. Integrate secure payment gateways for purchasing tickets and claiming prizes. AI-powered fraud detection tools can help you monitor transactions for suspicious activity to protect your business and customers. You can explore free fraud detection APIs or services with free tiers. Use ChatGPT for guidance by asking, what are the best free tools to implement secure online payment and fraud detection for a small lottery business? Step 7. Create a marketing and customer acquisition plan. Marketing is crucial for attracting and retaining lottery players. Use AI tools to generate targeted marketing content across social media, email campaigns, and advertising. AI can also help optimize ad spend by analyzing which platforms and demographics yield the best ROI. For example, ask ChatGPT, Generate a social media marketing plan for a lottery business targeting millennials, including post ideas, timing, and budget recommendations. Step 8. Build customer engagement and support. Implement AI chatbots and virtual assistants to provide 24/7 customer service, answer queries, and promote new games or draws. These bots can handle common questions efficiently and keep players engaged. Use tools like ChatGPT or free chatbot builders such as Tidio or Lambot. Prompt ChatGPT with "Create a chatbot script for a lottery business that welcomes users," explains how to play, and answers frequently asked questions. Step 9. Launch a pilot or soft launch. Before fully launching, test your platform and operations with a small group of users. Collect feedback on user experience, gameplay, and any technical issues. Use AI sentiment analysis tools on user reviews and feedback to identify areas for improvement. A suitable prompt might be: analyze customer feedback from a pilot lottery launch to identify common complaints and suggestions for improvement. Step 10. Scale and optimize your business. After a successful pilot, use AI analytics tools to track sales, customer behavior, and marketing performance. Continuously optimize your lottery games, marketing strategies, and customer service based on data insights. ChatGPT can help here too. Provide strategies for scaling a lottery business online and optimizing customer retention using data analytics. Conclusion: starting a lottery business using free AI tools is entirely feasible with careful planning and strategic use of technology. By leveraging AI to conduct research, write business plans, build your platform, and market your services, you can reduce costs and improve efficiency. Always keep legal compliance as a priority and use customer feedback and data analytics to refine your business continually. With persistence and smart use of AI, your lottery business can attract loyal players and grow sustainably in a competitive market. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.